So what is JVDK, JVM, JRE? So I made like simple drawing in order to demonstrate what is this. We have a .java file, which is the high level language that we're using. This is like the first main step that we need to have. We need to have this high level language or basically high level files. And based on those files, we're gonna be compiling those files using JDK in order to be generating the dot classes. Those dot classes is like per Java class we have a class file. So we can have tens, hundreds, thousands of Java classes, which mean we're gonna be having tens or thousands of classes files, which is not really applicable to be used in Java virtual machine. So what happens, we're gonna be using also the JDK in order to package. We want to package all the classes that we have in order to be used or be basically converted into a jar file. This is like the third and like main step because this main step. Why? Because this is like the main point or main package or main project that we're gonna be using in order to be executable on different machines that have JVM. So any machines that have JRE means that we already have JVM, because JVM is part of Java runtime environment. It's basically environment. JRE, from its name, it's runtime environment. It has like you can consider it like it's a program that you install in order to be using this jar. So you use a Java virtual machine that's basically to load the jar file and to be executing any statement within this jar file. So this is like the cycle or how you can differentiate between JDK and JRE and JVM in order to eventually run your high level code. So this is the idea. Hopefully it made some sense and the demo kind of explained how things work together. Hopefully you enjoyed the content. See you next time.